drone came from. There was a drone floating up here. I don't see anybody around, folks. Where the heck did that drone go? It's just floating here. There it is. Right there. Look at this drone. Right there. See it? Where is somebody flying that from? Oh, that's a bird. There was a drone, though. I think the folks it was a bird. It's a human drone. You little ding dong. My God. I'm seriously. He's sitting there. Oh, he sits there perfectly still. There he is. Where's he at? That is beautiful. I'm going to take a photograph of that. He's just sitting there. Just, God, I thought it was a drone. I was like, why is somebody flying a drone out here? I don't see a vehicle. So where's he at? Just floating away. Oh my God, that's gorgeous. I'll get that car out of the way. Wow, that's gorgeous, actually. The way those clouds and keep pulling in there. Oh, that's gorgeous. There he is. What are you doing there, bud? Hey, bud. Wish I had a whistle. Just soaring up there, looking at the clouds. Hey, you quit having so much fun. We don't have wings like you, bud. We don't have wings like that. You quit it. You stop that. I want to learn how to fly. You quit flying around up there. You're showing off. Trying to keep him in there. He's flying around. He was hovering there for a minute. See, I thought it was ducks and like that. Hey, there he goes. Man, just think of the beauty. He's flying up there and the beauty of those things. We think we're the smart ones. Makes you have a second opinion on that one, right? Trying to get a good photo of that, the way that's, but I don't want the stupid road in there, right? I mean, I can. It just, sometimes it's okay to have a road. I'll stop this. God bless.